will learn a lesson, The Little Fir Tree. This is a story, and I will tell you this story and I will translate it also and explain this. Shetty the magician was returning home when all of a sudden it began to rain. शेट्टी एक जादूगर था जो अपने घर लौट रहा था और अचानक पानी बरसने लगा. इट रेन्ड हैवीली और पानी बहुत तेज़ी से बरसने लगा. शेट्टी लुक्ड अराउंड फॉर शेल्टर एंड सॉ अ प्रेटी लिटिल फर ट्री. शेट्टी अपने चारों तरफ देखने लगा कि उसको कहीं शरण मिल जाए. तभी उसने देखा कि एक फर ट्री है और बहुत ही सुंदर है. ही रैन टुवर्ड्स इट एज फास्ट एज ही कुड. वो पेड़ के पास बहुत तेज़ी से भागा और सून द रेन स्टॉप. थोड़ी देर में बरसात बंद हो गई. शेट्टी वॉज हैप्पी. शेट्टी बहुत खुश था दैट ही डिड नॉट गेट वेट, क्योंकि वो गीला नहीं हुआ था. थैंक यू, यू हैव बीन काइंड टू मी. धन्यवाद, तुम मेरे लिए बहुत दयालु हो. आई कुड लाइक टू रिवॉर्ड यू. मैं तुम्हें इनाम देना चाहता हूँ. आस्क फॉर 4 विशेस. 4 विशेस मांग लो एंड आई विल ग्रांट देम. और मैं तुम्हें वो चारों विशेस पूरा कर दूंगा. सेड द मैजिशियन. उस जादूगर ने कहा. द सैड फर ट्री हैड लीव्स लाइक नीडल्स एंड नो बर्ड्स एवर मेड देयर नेस्ट ऑन इट. वो दुखी फर ट्री था क्योंकि उसकी पत्तियां सुई की तरह नुकीली थी और कोई भी पक्षी आकर उसमें अपना घोंसला नहीं बनाता था. सो इट सेड, आई विश आई हैड ग्रीन लीव्स लाइक माई अदर फ्रेंड्स. मेरी ये कामना है कि मेरे पास भी वैसे ही हरी पत्तियां होती जैसे मेरी दोस्तों के पास हैं. नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग इट्स विश वॉज ग्रांटेड. अगली सुबह जब वो सो के उठा तो देखा उसकी इच्छा पूरी हो गई थी. सून अ गोट केम. तभी एक बकरी आई along and ate all the green leaves. Oh dear, said the fir tree. I wish I had golden leaves as goats do not eat golden leaves. उस समय एक बकरी आई, उसकी हरी पत्ती को खा गई. तो फर ट्री ने सोचा कि अरे ये तो बहुत ही बुरा हुआ. काश कि मेरी सोने की पत्तियां होती जिससे उसको कोई बकरी आकर नहीं खा सकती. When the little fir tree woke up the next morning, जब छोटा फर ट्री सुबह दूसरे दिन उठा, इट वॉज सरप्राइज टू सी गोल्ड लीव्स. तो उसने देखा कि उसकी पत्तियां सोने की हो गई थी. हाउ हैप्पी आई एम. मैं कितना खुश हूँ. इट सेड. उसने कहा. अ मैन केम अलोंग एंड स्टोल द गोल्ड लीव्स. थोड़ी ही देर में एक आदमी आया और उसने सोने की उसकी सारी पत्तियां चुरा ली. आई विश आई हैड ग्लास लीव्स इंस्टेड. अब तो मुझे लगता है कि काश की मेरी पत्तियां शीशे की होती. Men do not steal glass leaves. और क्योंकि मनुष्य उसको चुरा नहीं सकता था. The next day its glass leaves shone the bright sun. लेकिन जब वो अगले सुबह को उठा तो उसने देखा कि उसकी पत्तियां ग्लास की शीशे की हो गई थी और सूर्य की किरणें उस पर चमक रही थी. How happy I am, it said. उसने कहा, अरे मैं तो बहुत खुश हूँ, मैं बहुत हैप्पी हूँ. At night the wind blew woo. उसी रात में बहुत तेज हवा बहने लगी. ऑल द ग्लास लीव्स ब्रोक. और सारी शीशे की पत्तियां टूट गई. ओ डियर, सेड द फर ट्री. फर ट्री बहुत उदास हो गया. आई लाइक माई ओल्ड नीडल लीव्स लाइक लीव्स बेस्ट. मुझे तो लगता है कि मेरी वो जो सुइयों की जैसी पत्तियां थी वो बहुत अच्छी थी. फॉर गोट्स डू नॉट ईट देम. क्योंकि उसको बकरी नहीं खा सकती थी. नो मैन कैन स्टील देम. कोई मनुष्य उसको चोरी नहीं कर सकता था. द विंड विल डू देम नो हार्म. और हवा भी उसको कोई नुकसान नहीं पहुंचा सकती थी. द ट्री वेंट टू स्लीप. व्हेन इट वोक अप द नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग इट हैड ऑल इट्स नीडल्स बैक अगेन. वो पेड़ सो गया दुखी होकर, लेकिन जब वो अगले सुबह उठा तो उसने देखा. ओ आई नेवर वॉज सो हैप्पी, सेड द लिटिल फर ट्री. उस पेड़ ने देखा कि उसकी पत्तियां पहले के जैसी नीडल वाली हो गई, सुई जैसी पत्तियां हो गई और वो बहुत खुश हुआ. न्यू वर्ड्स. प्रेटी. प्रेटी मीन्स ब्यूटिफुल. नीडल्स मतलब नीडल्स लाइक मीन्स सुई की तरह. गोल्ड सोने की तरह. स्टोल माने चुरा लिया. नाउ देयर आर सम एक्सरसाइज इन योर बुक चिल्ड्रन. रीडिंग इज फन. टिक द करेक्ट आंसर. द प्रेटी लिटिल फर ट्री वॉज हैप्पी विथ गोल्ड लीव्स बट a goat came along and ate them. No, this is not correct. All the leaves got wet in rain. This is also not correct. A man is told them. This is the correct answer. The second one is B is the fir tree was sad because it had yellow leaves. क्योंकि इसकी पीले रंग की पत्तियां थी. No, that is wrong. Because it had needle like leaves. क्योंकि इसकी सुई जैसी पत्तियां थी. That this is correct answer. Because it was very short. क्योंकि वो बहुत छोटा था. नहीं, ये गलत है. This is wrong answer. C1 is the fir tree was not happy with the gold leaves. वो fir tree सुनहरी पत्तियों से खुश नहीं था. क्यों? Because the goats came and ate them up. क्योंकि बकरियां आई और उसको खा गई. This is not correct answer. A man is told them. This is the correct answer. एक आदमी आया और उसने उसकी पत्तियों को चुरा लिया. The gold leaves broke. सोने की पत्तियां टूट गई. This is incorrect answer. Now children, there are the word building section. By changing the circled word to its opposite, rewrite these sentences. One has been done for you. I carry a light bag to school every day. And the example is I carry heavy bag to school every day. You have to make the opposite words and now rewrite the sentence. Reena won the race. The other sentence is Reena lost the race. I love eating vegetables. I hate eating vegetables. The glass of milk is full. The glass of milk is empty. The old man is wise. The old man is foolish. Now give the opposites of the words below by adding un or im. Some words are given there and you have to make opposite words by adding un or in. Happy, unhappy, polite, impolite, seen, unseen, proper, improper, lucky, unlucky, possible, impossible, important, unimportant, perfect, imperfect, healthy, unhealthy, safe, unsafe, patient, impatient, and pure, impure. Now children, third exercise, Rita loved her dog Sheru. Every day Sheru would go out of the house and come back himself. But one day he did not come home. Rita looked everywhere for him. Tears rolled down her cheeks. Sheru was lost. He was nowhere to be found. Rita was crying when she reached home. She got into her bed. All of a sudden, something jumped on her. Can you guess who it was? Rita was very happy. Now children, this passage deals with some words and you have to rewrite that the words are which are given in blue color. You have to write down the opposites of those words. Now, loved, hated, go out, come in, come, go, everywhere, never, nowhere, crying, laughing. Now this is another section children. Look at the picture below in the yellow box. There are 8 things. You can see 6 of them in the picture. You cannot see the other 2. Write down the 4 things that you can see. Yes. So there are some things which we can see are ducks, boy, mat, girl, tree and flowers. Now children, this is fun time. Ajit loved flowers. He always wanted to have a garden for himself. Mohan, his friend, gave him an idea. He said, why we can have a garden in the dish? Haha, Ajit laughed. A garden in a dish? Yes, dish gardens are tiny gardens planted in a shallow dish. We must first put sand, manure and pebbles in a dish, plant very tiny plants in it and place the dish on the windowsill. Now children, there is another exercise. Glass breaks easily when it is dropped. Do you think a mud flower pot, a glass spoon, a wooden table, a plastic cup or books or your plastic water bottle can break easily? You have to tell I will show the things and you will guess which are the things which can be broken or which will not break. Yeah, this is a cup. Can it be broken when it falls? No. Yes, it can be broken. Yes. Now there is a spoon. When it falls on the ground, it will be broken? No, it will not be broken. Then this is a bowl. Yes. If it will fall on the ground, it will be broken? Yes, it will be broken. Now children, exercise 3 is, which of the following actions would you make others happy, unhappy? There are so many actions are given there, and you have to sort out the actions which make people happy and the actions that make people unhappy. First of all, I will read the sentences. I will sort it out. I will sort out the sentences which will make the people happy. These are like this: respecting elders, being polite, playing with friends, visiting a sick friend, caring for pets, and being honest. These are some activities which make people happy. Now I have listed the things which make people unhappy. These are like this: not saying thank you, not sharing, watching television all the day, telling lies, being greedy, getting angry easily. These are the activities which make other people unhappy. Now children, there is another exercise and there is a picture also. You look at this picture. Yes. There was a thick jungle with a beautiful green trees and birds. Koel was singing happily. Suddenly, she heard someone crying. It was her friend, the peacock. She flew to him and asked, "Why are you crying?" "I hate myself. I have such ugly feet. Some things make you feel happy. Some things make you feel sad." Now, children, you can write a poem on this picture. Now, there is another exercise, children. Let's make a word tree. Now, this is how you will do this. Yes, I have already made this tree. You can see. You can see this. Now, take a long green sheet of paper or newspaper. Roll it like this. Hold the roll of paper firmly on hand and cut 4 slits from the top to halfway down the roll. Still holding the roll of paper firmly, bend back the 4 sections of the cut paper. Put all the branches. Do this by pulling up the cut section slowly and carefully from the center of the roll. Look, children, you can look here. That's how you can make paper tree. I have made it. Look this. Yes, you can also try in your home. There is another craft for children. You can make flower like this. You can cut the flower and you can paste on the paper. You can do this. You can do other activities, other things like this. Thank you.